Hey you guys, what is happening YouTube? Hope you're safe and well out there and doing good. Welcome to another spectacular vlog here on Breaking Trails. Today we are back at Chessington World of Adventures. Today we're going to be checking out the Howloween event. I've never been to this event before, but I've read and seen lots and lots of positive reviews and positive things about the park, so I had to come down here and check it out. Of course, in the background there you can see the sign for Creepy Caves, the award-winning scare maze here at Chessington, which I'm going to be checking out for you guys. Of course I can't film in there, but I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions when we come out. Along with that, we got a couple of scare walkthroughs as well, which I can take you guys through. So yeah, grab yourself a drink, get yourself comfortable, because once again it is fright time here at Chessington World of Adventures. Cue the intro and let's go. Okay, first ride of the day, we're going to be heading onto the Aerodynamics coaster, which is Vampire. I haven't been on Vampire in a long time, well, since the summer really. We just joined the queue, it's having downtime. But the engineer's just been called, so I'm hoping it's not going to be too long. Yeah, with us today we have Ryan.
Hello.
Who's dressed up in a kind of glow-in-the-dark, what would you call it?
Skeleton.
Glow-in-the-dark skeleton. And we got the one and the only Gruffalo.
Yes.
Yay! You excited for Chessington?
Yeah.
Do you like Halloween in Chessington?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at your Gruffalo outfit. Wow. You're the Gruffalo, Oliver. Yay! And also today we got the one and only, we pinched her from Alton Towers. We got Gangster Granny. The original Gangster Granny. We pinched her from Alton Towers and she's here in person. I'm only joking, it's the mother-in-law. But yeah, we're going to head on to Vampire now. I'll tell you my thoughts when we come off. Of course, I'll put a bit of off-ride footage in the vlog for you guys. But yeah, having a bit of downtime. Hopefully it's not going to be too much longer. so I had a quick ride there on Vampire. Pretty good, a bit of downtime due to some technical issues, but the mechanic got it resolved pretty quickly. So the queue was only about 10 minutes, but the main queue was like 80 minutes. I got to point out today, being half term especially, it's very, very, very busy today. I mean, the queues are looking about 80, 70 minutes, 50 minutes. Yeah, the queues are pretty large today. And of course, with Oliver being the Gruffalo, there he is. With Oliver being the Gruffalo, we had a ride on the Gruffalo River Ride, one of my favourite rides in the UK, favourite indoor attractions in the UK. In a way of theming, there's plenty of theming here around today. There's plenty of pumpkin props dotted around the park, plenty of real pumpkins as well, little pumpkin patches dotted around, it's really good. The creepy cave's looking really good. The audio outside is sounding fantastic. They got like an air raid siren going off, plenty of toxic barrels dotted around. It looks really good, the theming. But we're going to head into the Forgotten Forest now and take you guys in there. We'll go and check that out as well. So yeah, join us for a journey through the Forgotten Forest. Here we go, into the Forgotten Forest. Let's go. Gonna hold my hand? There's nothing scary in here. Oh, loving the audio that's playing around. Very creepy. I think it's just like a little forest trail. Some cool props dotted around. And again, this is a free attraction, not paid for. And it's open all day long. Be good to come in here during the night time. Wow, look at this bits of theming.
Minor 43.
Skellington, population 43.
Minor 43. Minor 43.
My friends have been forgotten. They are no longer.
Look at my
Pesky pixie spells for now.
Plenty of pumpkins and props around.
And the trees stay listening in.
Ooh, do you want to hold my hand?
Fearing the eyes of each pumpkin.
Let's go and have a look.
So be careful where you turn.
Oh, there you go, skeleton there hanging out the washing.
Creatures have awoken from the land of living dead.
Another one there chilling with his cat, look.
You may see them in their band. You may see them at high tea. But be warned, they have their eye on you. Not just today.
Oh, and we got a bit of a photo opportunity by here as well. Plenty of photo opportunities for the kids here at Forgotten Forest.
Anything from within this mystical place.
Oh, look at these. It's got to be fantastic at night time.
They will never give up chase.
Definitely going to have to come here through night time.
Don't let the twinkling lights make you
Here we
feel
go.
that all is right. For the creatures you don't want to meet will be out on Halloween
This is Pirate
night.
Steve.
Oh, look at those Pirate
He is
Steve,
a
look.
naughty pirate. Don't be like Steve.
Hello, pirate. This is Pirate Steve. He's a naughty pirate. Don't be like Steve.
Stand there. There's another 40.
No.
Oliver, will stand there?
No. Don't be like Steve.
Oh, stand
I'm
there.
loving all this.
Look, stand there.
No.
Loving all this theming. There's plenty of photo points there, see? Forgotten Forest photo point at Chessington. Beware, naughty pumpkin, do not feed, look.
Oh.
Don't feed that pumpkin.
Yeah.
Where I the very
A
warmest land.
bone feeder.
With my friends from the time.
I can't.
Oh, look.
And the magic
A bit of a spider's web.
friends have been forgotten.
Yeah.
They are no longer here to play. No
Oh,
flickering fairy village lights. No
oh,
flute
look.
playing angry fools.
Lots of spiders.
Pixie
Plenty of spiders in a spider nest. And look at that big spider by there. Oh, he's a big spider. How does he feel? Soft. Feels soft. Fantastic. Yeah, it's got to be fantastic in the dark, this walkthrough. Be really good in the dark. Yeah, there's all spooky lights in the dark. Oh, look at that big spider up there, Oliver.
Oh, what's it? Are you supposed to go in here?
Go in there if you want. Big spider on the roof by there. Oh, there's spider web. Very nice. Oh, look, Oliver, what's up there? The bats up there, look. And another bat. Bats everywhere. Oh, look. Foggy. The Sean from Theme Park Worldwide say it's another Hoover. Bit of a skeleton chilling out on a mushroom there.
And that is a house.
Oh yeah, the mini houses as well.
There's a cat in here.
Lots of mini houses.
The mushroom balloons.
A mushroom balloon.
Mom,
See in there, look.
that had
Oh, where? Low flying bats. Oh, go and have a look at the window in there, Oliver.
bat.
Very creepy. Does somebody live in there? Who lives in there? More low flying bats.
No flickering fairy village lights. No playing angry fairs. No pesky pixie spells or smells. Forgotten magic has changed it all.
Plenty of gravestones around.
The spiders on form.
Let's continue.
Show me your scary face.
Oh, you're looking rather creepy. Very good, I love it, yeah? Really good. More dancing skeletons right there. I'll try and come through here at night time, guys. I'll show you what it's like at night time. Check this out, we've got some smoky bubbles. Whoa. Smoky bubbles. They're really cool. Lots of smoky bubbles. If we wait for here, I'm sure they'll turn back on. There's a couple of skeletons are having a bit of a party. So yeah, guys, that is the Forgotten Forest. Again, like I said, I'll come through here at night time, guys, and I'll show you what it's like in the dark. Okay, you just seen a bit of footage there from the Forgotten Forest, a fantastic little addition here at Chessington World of Adventures. It's a free walkthrough, no scare actors at all. It's just full of lovely little scenery, plenty of photo opportunities as well for the kids and the families. A great addition. I'm going to try and get through there at night time in the dark as well, because it's all lit up and all foggy, and it really adds to the atmosphere at night time. I'm here at Adventure Point as well, where they got the Wild Witches. They're going to be doing some sort of a show. You can see the stage just behind me there. In terms of theming for Chessington World of Adventures Howloween, plenty of theming. I mean, they're not lacking theming at all. Plenty of pumpkins around, skulls, skeletons, lots of theming throughout the whole park, not just in one certain area. plenty of theming throughout the whole park as well. It's really good to see. I mean, it's my first time here at Halloween, and so far I'm really impressed with what Chessington World of Adventures has done. They really get into the spirit. You got the audio playing throughout the park as well. Sounds fantastic, it really does. And I can only imagine as the sun starts going down, starts getting a bit darker, the audio will really add to the atmosphere here at Chessington World of Adventures. So yeah, I'm going to capture a bit of footage of the wild witches that are just behind me. So far, fantastic day here at Halloween. It's just going to get better because we've got the creepy caves to do and we got a scare zone to do as well. Check this out, we got the wild witches around the park as well. You're doing a show shortly? Where's the show taking place, guys?
Right there! Silly!
In the stage right behind me. Fantastic.
Adventure Point stage.
Adventure Point stage here at Chessington World of Adventures. Bye.
Oh, look, hello.
Right, what did you say to then? Go on.
So I'm starving and I want food, and Dad was recording the witches and he wants to get some stuff done. But I said I'm gonna do my magic spell.
And how does it go like?
My magic spell makes Dad starving like me. Magic!
Yeah! So while we're waiting for the Wild Witches show to begin, I thought I'd take you guys around and have a look at some of the theming here at Chessington World of Adventures Halloween. As you can see, there's plenty of pumpkins around. They're not short of theming here at Halloween in Chessington World of Adventures, that's for sure. Really good. I mean, it's not just the pumpkins you've got plenty of bunting on all the fences around the park as well. Really sets the scene, especially for a family park as well. You can see, look at this. Yeah, right by the entrance, you got a big Halloween. There's a witch there in the pumpkin. This Halloween sign looks really, really good, especially as you come into the park itself as well. It really tells you that it is Halloween here at Chessington. Really fresh. I like how the bottoms of the letter look like slime. Looks fantastic. It's really good. Again, more pumpkins around. As you can see, even by the entrance of Sea Life, you've got pumpkins around everywhere. It's really good to see. You can tell they put a lot of effort into the theming on the whole Halloween event here at Chessington. Really, really, really good. They've even got Santa's sleigh ready here for the Christmas Winter's Tale at Chessington World of Adventures. And check these out, these are really cool. Look at these scarecrows, these look fantastic. Really well themed, really good. These are just out here on the lawn just by Room on the Brooms over by there. Really good. I think it's something that not so much Thorpe Park, but Alton Towers really lack on is theming. They really need to put some theming like this in Alton Towers to really set the scene at Scarefest. But for Halloween, looks absolutely fantastic, really good. Plenty of photo opportunities as well. Yeah, all this theming's all dotted around the park. It's really good to see, it's fantastic. So yeah, gonna head back now, try and catch a bit of the Wild Witches show.
What you got there?
Oh my gosh.
What is it? It moves back like a snake.
It's a talkie box.
Talking about. How fast you talking about? Shiny blue. Actually, I got it right. Can I have it?
Oh my god.
I'll give it to you, right? Please. I'll take it. One rock for that shiny blue thing.
Okay.
Okay, right, let me get you that rock. See the spin? Wait. Right, one rock, okay?
Okay.
For that phone. You ready?
You sure? Oh, she's taking it!
Oh, okay, well, I want my rock back if you're not going to take it.
You can have your rock back. There we are.
I see it. I'll be watching you. I know what you look like. Hey, stop pointing now. Okay, stop it.
Oh, we got more!
What are you doing?
YouTube in.
What?
YouTube in.
I don't trust this brand.
Oh, you're gonna
Okay, you win. Look not that side. Come up from behind. Ow! He's not seeing you coming.
Fantastic.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm filming you.
What's that? I
Oh.
don't understand you.
Oh, I'm going this way. I'm going this way. I'm going this way.
Right, okay, leave. That's it. Leave that scarlet now.
I'm going this
I know
way.
you look like I do not want to see. Go. I do not want to see.
Check this out, we got the curse catchers roaming around the park. Kind of like Ghostbusters with their packs on the back and everything.
She's all good for now. Whoa, what is this? What's this contraption? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Anything spooky?
Someone's armed.
It is spooky.
Stay still. If you know it's good for you, you'd stay still.
Do I get a bit of spooky spray, do I?
Yeah,
of course you do. Of course you do.
Spray it down.
Okay.
Right, there we go.
Just the phone, guys.
Just
Just
the
the phone.
phone.
Just the phone.
Tripod, just
Okay.
fine.
You're okay. So all guys do
Illegal
better.
activity happening.
Curse catcher.
Curse catcher, that's what we are.
We got some pirate activity 12 o'clock.
Kids to stop for some pizza and pasta. I didn't have any, I'm not a big eater. I had some pizza and pasta in Alton Towers, really nice, really enjoyed it. Ryan, what do you think of pizza and pasta in Chessington?
It was really, really, really nice, but it fills you up really, really, really fast.
Yeah, it does fill you up a lot, it does. I mean, obviously pizza and pasta, it's a full buffet, so you can just keep on going back for more and more. Really good value for money, really good pizza. Oliver, what did you think of pizza and pasta?
Good!
Is it good?
Yeah!
What did you have?
Pizza.
What pizza did you have?
You had a cheese pizza, didn't you? Yeah.
You had a cheese pizza, I think.
Yeah, you did.
Anyway, bigger and better news. It's time for Creepy Caves. Really looking forward to this. Never been in here before. I've heard good reviews about it. Obviously it's a family orientated maze, so ages from 10 plus. There is an upcharge for the maze, £6 usually, but for a pass holder, Merlin annual pass holder, it is a £5 upcharge, which, you know, when you consider it, the upcharge for Alton Towers maze and Thorpe Park maze is £10, so it's really good value for money. I shall let you know my thoughts when we come out. Obviously I can't film inside for you guys. Ryan, it's Creepy Caves time.
I'm not looking forward to it.
Can't wait for this. Love it. Okay, we just come out of Creepy Caves there. What a fantastic scare maze in there. It's absolutely brilliant. Full of scares, full of smell pods. It absolutely stinks in there. I don't know what kind of smell pods they got. They got some kind of damp smell pods in there. It's really good, full of actors, full of scares. I mean, for ages 10 plus, I had a few jump scares as well. A lot of banging, a lot of fog. Basically, you go in, it's a government facility apparently. You got to take over as a security guard because the other security guard has gone somewhere, and you need to head into the caves. You need to go into the caves, check everything's okay, but once you get in there, obviously everything's not okay. You go into this you're in your own little group, and as curtain goes around you, all the lights go off. There's a load of sirens, red lights, fog, flashing lights, and all even the way through the maze. There's people with like lit up masks that get right in your face. Absolutely fantastic scare maze. What do you give it out of 10, Ryan?
I give it a 1. It was
1.
really scary.
It was your first scare maze, Ryan, wasn't it? Very first proper scare maze. I give it a 10 out of 10 simply for the smell pods, the theming, the whole kind of backstory behind it. Really, really good. Creepy Caves here at Chessington, World of Adventures. Thumbs up.
I give it a 1 because it's really scary.
You don't want to go in the Creepy Caves, Oliver, do you?
Mommy! Oh!
What do you think of it?
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Really good?
Yeah, it's really good for young kids.
What do you think of it, Al?
That was fake.
It was what?
They went to them too. It is quite scary for
10 plus.
yeah.
Really good. Enjoy.
Smoke effects and dark areas, all the good stuff for a good scare. If I haven't put you off, you may enter.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So here we go into the Vile Villagers Scare Zone. Meant to be really good from what I've seen. Again, this is a free scare zone. Not paid for. And here's some of the Vile Villagers themselves.
You shouldn't be here. We don't like people here.
I just had a quick walk through it to see what it's like.
Be here, be quick about it.
Oh, I don't like the look of him. I take it that's for killing vampires, I see, is it?
Yes.
Yeah? Can I,
What about
oh.
you? You a vampire?
Me?
I would choose your words wisely. Otherwise, you might come to an end rather fast.
No, I'm not a vampire, definitely not.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% positive.
Well, don't worry. I know where you live, so I'll come and interrogate you real soon.
Thank you very much.
Well, keep walking.
Oh, I'm walking.
On you go.
I'm walking. This is fantastic, look at this. Woo!
I've said I'll add you to the tally, sir, for the people that won't leave this village alive.
Oh, look at this.
I'm gonna stay
This
here.
is brilliant. Oh, I tell you what, this has got to be fantastic in the dark. I think it's what Alton Towers definitely need to invest in. More free scare zones like this. And we got a
Last bow.
creepy lady.
Bow. Bow. Do you know who I am? I'm a lady and you're a peasant. Get out of my sight.
Definitely are a vile villager. Oh, look at this. This is fantastic. Definitely for a free scare zone as well. They really need to invest in things like this in Alton Towers. Free scare zones. Oh. I don't think there's anything in there.
That's rude! How do I go to your house and go through your door? Okay. Is he yours?
You're on YouTube.
Is he yours?
He is mine. No, don't agree.
Go! Okay. I hope you love it.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Woo! Oh, there's one by there. There's one by there. There's one by there. Oh my god, go on, right, you go first. I can't see anything at all. Sorry guys, I can't see anything at all. She's right by there. Oh my goodness me. This is absolutely fantastic. Jesus Christ. Sneak past them, run quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, see, they keep the smoke off, I think, when they go like that. We'll have to go through.
Ah, wow, that is brilliant. That is fantastic. For a free scare zone.
Do you like it?
Were you scared?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
No.
No?
I did too.
You crossed your arms, that's right. Again, if you crossed your arms, like, cross your arms again. If you cross your arms like that through the free scare zone, guys, then the actors in there know not to scare you. It's really cool thing that Chessington World of Adventures has incorporated this year for their free scare zone. If your little ones are a little bit too scared, just cross your arms and the actors know not to approach you or scare you too much. Yeah, fantastic free scare zone there here at Chessington World of Adventures, the Vile Villagers. Oh, got a bit of magic going on.
As a quick test, how many fingers am I holding? 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 Wrong, that's a thumb. Okay. So you failed the first test, but don't worry, here's another one. What does that sign behind you say? Okay, brilliant stuff. I think we're ready to begin. Remember, the pumpkin is in this middle cup. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Find the pumpkin, keep your eyes on the pumpkin, please keep your eyes open for that pesky pumpkin. Which cup is it under, madam? Which cup has the pumpkin? Are you sure? Are you certain? Are you sure you're certain? Oh, look at that! Unbelievable, how'd you do this? Did you cheat?
Come on, let's go. Angel!
How'd you do it?
Let's go.
You have to keep your eyes on the pumpkin, okay? So, we're gonna do a little test. Before we start, tell me, what colour are your shoes?
What colour are your shoes, Oliver?
Have a look at your shoes.
Blue.
Blue, perfect. Okay, we're ready to begin. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Keep your eyes on the pumpkin. Where's the pumpkin? Which cup? Don't pick yet. Don't pick yet. Keep your eyes on the pumpkin. Which cup do you think it is?
Which
This one.
cup is in the pumpkin?
Oh! What about this one? Nearly. Oh, well done.
Yay.
I tell you what, you found the pumpkin in the end.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to give you a prize because you're so good at this.
Oh,
There
look, what do
are.
you say?
You're very welcome, young man.
Thank you very much. What have you got? Yay! Hello.
Big pumpkin.
Let's go around the other side.
Hey, funny. When you go through, try and sit at this side so I can see you.
see it's starting to get really dark here at Chessington World of Adventures. Obviously the park shuts at 7 o'clock, but the scare zones, one of them shuts at 6, which is the Vile Villagers, that shuts at 6 o'clock. And then you've got the Forgotten Forest that actually shuts at 7 o'clock as well. Everything's all lit up very nicely here. You see the pumpkins in the background there. Everything's all lit up really nicely here at Chessington night time. It's suddenly gone dark really quick. So I'm going to try and head over to the Vile Villagers scare zone. See if I can take you guys through there at night time. Then we're going to head over to the Forgotten Forest, take you guys through the Forgotten Forest at night time, and then we're going to have a quick ride on Vampire in the dark before we wrap up our day here at Chessington World of Adventures. And obviously on the way back, I'm going to capture some of the theming around for you guys at night time, where some of the pumpkins are lit up. So it looks like we've just made it to the Vile Villagers at night time. Here we go. Here we go. Vile Villagers nighttime walkthrough, guys. Obviously I took you guys through here in the daytime. I'm going to take you through here in the dark as well, guys.
Hello there, little one. How are you today? Having a good day? And are you feeling brave? Yeah, oh, that's what we like to hear.
She's got a baby.
So I'm going to be honest. Smiling far too much. Quite frankly, it's
Okay, I see we've got a little
my baby! Beautiful Jeanette. Beautiful just like her mother, obviously.
Beautiful.
I was not convinced in the
No,
slightest.
maybe.
Boring me now.
Okay, thank you.
Hurry up!
Where I'm going. Oh. It's kind of like it was in the daytime, guys, but it's a bit more atmospheric at night.
Don't worry.
Woo!
Venturing here in the dark is foolish ideas. The vampires get rather energetic at night and children go missing. I sure don't hope I see you on my missing children's list.
Come on then. Oh. Obviously it's a bit more atmospheric at night time with all the lights.
Well, don't dawdle. I really don't want you to go missing now. I've got enough work to do without adding an extra name to my list.
Oh. It's a bit more atmospheric at night time, guys. Oh, look at this, all the fog lit up as well really nicely. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at all the smoke. Woo! I recognise that music. If you recognise that music, leave a comment in the comment section. Oh, we got.
What on earth is that?
We got a scare for YouTubing.
What's it?
YouTuber.
What does that mean?
Filming for other people to watch.
You're talking absolute nonsense.
No.
You're all right down there. What is that you're wearing? You? Yeah, I'm talking to you. What's all this? You don't want to be jumped out at? You're doing this. Alright, come on then, let's get you there.
It's absolutely fantastic at night time. Really good. Really atmospheric. The audio's fantastic. Hello again. I saw you earlier. Oh, look, we got a few more actors in here as well at night time. Oh. I tell you what, for a free walkthrough, it's absolutely fantastic. And there we are, guys. Bit of a nighttime walkthrough on the Vile Villagers. Absolutely brilliant. Hopefully I can take you guys through to the Forgotten Forest now for a bit of a nighttime walkthrough. So I've just seen a bit of nighttime footage there from the Vile Villagers scare walkthrough. It's absolutely fantastic walkthrough, and it's even better that it's included in admission as well, which is really good. And again, you know, if your little ones are a bit scared, it's all you got to do is cross their arms and they know not to scare you. It's fantastic. Yeah, it's really good at night time. Love the fog effects in there, it's really good. The audio's nice and loud. They got like a little tunnel at the end, really dark. The smells in there, the theming in there, the acting quality as well is superb. The lighting in there, I can't fault it, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to take you through the Forgotten Forest now for a nighttime walk in there, see what it's like at night time. And like I said, we're going to head on to Vampire and finish off our day here at Chessington World of Adventures. I've had so much to pack in today. It's been so busy. About 80% of the day has been queuing. The queues have been ranging from 70 minutes to 50 minutes. It's been really busy, which is a good thing to see, obviously, for Chessington. That a lot of people are coming out and, you know, choosing to spend a day out here and spending their hard-earned money, which is good for the theme park. But yeah, a lot of the day has been queuing, so I'll try to cram in as much as I can for you guys in the vlog. So yeah, come and join me as I take you through a walk in the Forgotten Forest at night time. Here we go. Bit of a nighttime wander through the Forgotten Forest and see what kind of atmosphere is here at night. Wow, look at all this lighting. It looks absolutely amazing at night time. It's fantastic.
The inhabitants of the forest will let you.
Much better at night.
Their day. They encourage you to take photos. Please do so as you go on your way.
Oh,
But do not touch them.
it's really atmospheric at night time, all the lights. Wow, look at this. It's fantastic at night time, this does.
Don't let the twinkling lights make you feel that all is right. For the
Oh, it looks
creatures you don't
absolutely
want to
amazing at night
will
time.
be out
I mean, it looks
on
good throughout the day.
night.
It looks good in the daytime walk, obviously, but obviously at night time, it adds that little bit of extra atmosphere, if you will, ambience. Look at the lighting, it looks absolutely fantastic. It's really good. They've done a really good job with this year. It's fantastic. And check out these pumpkins right here. These are lit up really nicely as well. Oh, it looks fantastic at night time. Do you think it looks good at night time, Oliver?
Yeah.
Does it look spooky?
Yeah.
Filled with my friends.
Oh, look at this.
And snow.
But something
Oh, look at this.
wrong.
Spider webs.
My friends have been forgotten.
Yeah, Chessington have done a fantastic job this year for the Halloween event. Like I said, I've never been to Chessington World of Adventures Halloween event before. It's the first time for me and the family. But so far I'm really impressed with what they've done. Really impressed. I mean, if you're looking for, you know, extreme scares and frights, then obviously Scarefest in Alton Towers.
Oh, where's the grace?
Ooh.
may see them in their
Obviously Alton Towers, Scarefest in Alton Towers, and Fright Nights in Thorpe Park is more suited for you. But if you're looking for a more family-friendly, spectacular time, then Chessington offers so much.
What's the gravestone?
I think they're round here, I think. Oh, look at this. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful at night time. This looks really nice. Something from Sean from Theme Park Worldwide wasn't able to do, unfortunately. Like I said, it does close at 6. The scare zone, the Vile Villager scare zone, closes at 6. But this closes at 7, which is fantastic. Oh, what have we got? Look at this. Right in front of you.
Oh,
There it is.
this is the gravestone.
That's a gravestone. Look behind you. Look behind you. Skeleton. There's a gravestone by there. There they are. Oh, spooky. Oh, look at this. Absolutely magical. Be foggy as well, which adds to the atmosphere, of course.
Look at that.
Oh, look. Really, really, really well lit up. Oh, look at those. Wow, look at that. Whoa.
Can anybody
I wonder
hear
what's
me?
in that well.
It seems everybody.
What do you think's in there, Oliver?
So be careful where you jump.
Hello?
I can't see you.
They told me to come down here, but they haven't let me back up.
Hello.
Where's everybody
Oliver's
gone?
face through the mist.
You may see them in their band.
We've got some dancing skeletons in there. I really hope they bring this back for next year. It's absolutely fantastic. Dancing skeletons.
It's open the door. Why does it open the door?
Maybe the skeletons had to go in, or they got to go out to go to bed. Really good. Really, really good at night time. It's kind of a whole different experience at night time compared to the daytime. Obviously in the daytime you get all the scenery and you can kind of have a look at all the theming, but at night time it just adds a whole new dimension to the scare zone. It's really good. I'm sure there's bubbles going to come on in a minute. I'm sure the bubbles, there it comes, look, off we go, way. Smoky bubbles. Fantastic. Really good. Smoky bubbles. Fantastic. There we are, guys, a bit of a nighttime walk through the Forgotten Forest. It's a really good night right there on Vampire. It's a really well lit up coaster at night. Really good night ride. Obviously some parts of the track are really well lit up. Some parts of the track are really dark, which obviously adds to the atmospheric feel of Halloween. We're going to make our way back now to the entrance. It's coming to the end of the day here at Howloween in Chessington World of Adventures. So on the way back I'm going to try and cover some of the theming on the way back to the entrance of the park that's really well lit up and looks absolutely fantastic at night time. So yeah, we're going to make our way back now, guys. So that is it, guys. That is the end of the vlog here at Howloween at Chessington World of Adventures. We've had a fantastic time. Today has been absolutely jam-packed full of fun. Again, I tried to capture as much as I could for you. It's been so busy here today. With it being half term as well, you know, we had to expect it being busy, but we've had a fantastic day today. Chessington really have impressed me this year with their Halloween event, with their 2 scare zones completely included with the entrance fee, their creepy cave scare maze as well. It's absolutely fantastic. The amount of effort's been put in to all the attractions here at Chessington World of Adventures Halloween event is incredible. Definitely going to be returning next year. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, click that little notifications bell, because that'll tell you every time I upload something new. That is it from me, guys. Until next time, stay safe and keep on trailing. Bye.